Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to show you a rig update. We got the garage rig, the original rig. Got MSI 1660, the TI or Super, 4 EVGAs. You see TI, Super, TI, 3070 FE, Facebook Marketplace, $600. That was one of my better finds. Found that about 6 months ago. Some more 1660 cards, and then a 2060 Super that I got for $350. And then we got our motherboard under here using the splitter card. We got 11 cards on this. It's a BioStar 250 board and 2000 watt. This one's Platinum Seasonic EVGA. Second rig, it's actually built out of an old ThinkStation PC. Got two 1660s, four 3060 Ti's, my babies. Got one of these for 400, one for 600, two for 800. They're all pretty good prices. I've got them all within the last month or two. And then just got this beast yesterday. 3080 non-LHR Asus Tough, supposedly one of the better 3080 models, and hashing away so far. And then I've got three more 1660 Ti's or Supers hanging off the back here. You can see this rig is actually using two splitter cards, and then three extra PCIEs out on that, and then using two 750 watt platinum PSUs. Probably need to check the power pole on this one again, but I was right around 1,000 watts, so adding 3080 I should still be under 1440. That's about it though. Normally that's my intake, and normally that's my exhaust fan. Got it closed because it's kind of cold outside. So alright, jumping onto the computer, I'll show you what HiveOS looks like. Got the garage rig and the Lenovo rig. This is like a test rig, so ignore that being offline. Garage rig, you'd see it's been running for 16 days straight, 120,000 shares, 389 mega hash, and this is using about like 1,050 watts at the wall. So kind of my whole thought process with this was go for the most efficient cards, and that way I'll be one of the last people who has to turn off the miner whenever the bear market finally hits. So there's that rig, and then I'll show you the Lenovo rig as well. Just put this 3080 in there as of, not sure why it's under 100 mega hash. I just put that in yesterday, so I'll need to check that out. It could potentially be thermal throttling, but I kind of doubt it. The 1660s on this rig are perform pretty well. I've got a couple of the Samsung ones up to 32. This rig's at 500 mega hash total. That puts us at a total of 892 on this rig, and then checking out Ethermine, I've got a 3080 on my main PC, 30 showing 75 because I'm streaming right now, and then I've got a 1660 hooked up to that PC as well. Let's just check on that. Why is that not showing? Yeah, it should be 31. I'm not sure why it's showing 25. But right around 1 gigahash. This isn't fully updated. It should be a little higher than 0.02, but we're looking right around $65–70 a day. Total hardware, I'm only in about $7,000, so we're doing pretty good. I've been searching through Facebook Marketplace to find good deals for a long time. Let me know if you guys want to see more mining related videos. I might put out some tutorials, or share some of the information I've learned along the way. But if you like the video, hit the like button and think about subscribing. I'll see you next time. Peace.